Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishal. In this video, let's have a look on equalize option in the ZModeler of ZBrush. Equalize is a polygon action. So before going into the video, I've got a question for you. Do you know who is the father of HDR images? If you know it, please let me know in the comment section. So let's get started with the video. So here I've got a polygon cube and I've made this cube with different polygon sizes. I've used the insert lines and then I just made this uneven polygons. So if I hit space bar on the polygon, and then you should be able to see the equalize option, and the target is set to single poly. So if I just click and drag that face, the result would be like making this polygon into a perfect square. So it is trying to make this edges equal. So I need to achieve that by clicking and dragging multiple times here. So let me just click and drag, and you should be able to see you keep dragging until the result is equalized. So any polygon can be made into a square, and this can be later used to model your things. So even you can try this for different targets, and as I told, it takes so many attempts to get the result perfectly. So it doesn't work greatly for multiple polygons. Mostly I recommend it for single polygon. If you got any questions about this video, let me know in the comment section. I request you to subscribe my channel and hit a like button. Thank you.